Ooh.
Can't move the stance. This is how real it is. Like, I'm gripping hard. You can see, like, I grip it the same exact way because I don't. If I loosen it up, it doesn't react the same for me. Or at least I don't react to it. Even though it doesn't recoil. So essentially, you know, even the people are like, oh, it doesn't recoil, whatever. Yeah, I don't care. I'm gripping it the same way. If you're not training correctly behind this, you're not training correctly. Anyway, with dry firing. Hey y'all, I'm here at Laser Shop Facility. It was awesome visiting. Thank you so much for having me, man. It was awesome. I got to train a little bit, got to play a little bit, and I'm actually feeling a little bit more ready for tomorrow's match. Thanks so much. My name is JJ Urcaza. We're out.